Hi there, students. Clemency, a noun. Clement, the adjective. Okay, clemency is being merciful, being kind when giving punishment. So the jury found the defendant guilty, but appealed to the judge for clemency when sentencing. So they're saying the person is guilty of this offence, but please don't punish them too severely. Be kind, be merciful in the punishment. Okay? So clemency, being merciful or being lenient when you're in authority towards somebody who has committed a crime, especially by reducing the punishment. The defendant's lawyer begged for clemency. The governor refused to grant him clemency, and he was executed yesterday. Okay, so you could reduce the sentence from the death sentence to 20 years in prison. That would be clemency. Okay, not punishing severely. Yeah, to moderate the severity of the punishment due, to be lenient. Yeah, the judge ignored the prisoner's plea for clemency. You can also use clement or clemency for the weather, although this is probably a bit old-fashioned. The weather is very clement. Shall we go for a picnic? Owing to the clemency of the weather this year, all of the plants are well advanced for this time of year. I think this is a bit old-fashioned, but you could say clement weather. It would sound quite good in a formal essay or something like that. Okay, so clemency, mercy or leniency, showing forbearance and compassion or forgiveness when judging or punishing somebody. Yeah? If somebody is found guilty of stealing food because they need to feed their family, then this is a good situation to show clemency. Particularly the collocation, a plea for clemency. The prisoner's plea for clemency were rejected. Mercy, pity, humanity, compassion, forgiveness, kindness, leniency. But when treating a prisoner, you can also show clemency to an enemy. Yeah, if you're fighting a war and you capture a lot of prisoners, you should show clemency because they're not going to fight anymore. To be merciful, and this is the idea of clemency. Clemency also, let's see, a pardon or a commutation of a sentence. Yeah, so the governor of the state gave clemency to the prisoner, and he was released. Okay, so this is the idea of clemency. So notice this word clemency, it's a pretty formal word. It's a pretty legal word as well. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I think I'd probably give it a 7.5 in formality. Yeah, more informally use leniency, lenient, mercy, something like that. And then it comes from clementia in Latin, meaning mercy, gentleness, mildness. Clemency. Okay, clementia. Okay, so I beg for clemency for the insult that I've caused you. No, it sounds terribly formal. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I would really use this often in spoken language. I think it's better for something semi-formal or formal written. So there you go, clemency, Clement. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Clement, Clemency.